Welcome to Homebuyer University, your guide to smart home buying.
Thinking about buying your first home? Between loan terms, interest rates, and advice from people who haven't bought a house in 10 years, it can be overwhelming. What if you could skip the guesswork and walk into your first home purchase feeling confident and prepared? In this video, I'm sharing 20 real-life tips that first-time homebuyers wish they knew sooner. Section 1. The foundation: know your why. Before you start looking, understand your motivation. Are you tired of renting, need more space, or want to be in a specific school district? Your why will keep you focused when things get stressful. Talk to a lender. First, this is crucial. Don't start house hunting until you've spoken with a lender. You might be in a better financial position than you think. Pre-approval isn't a blank check. Just because you're pre-approved for a large amount doesn't mean you should spend it all. Make sure your monthly payment is comfortable and you aren't house poor. Don't fall for listing photos. Professional photos can be deceiving, using wide-angle lenses and special lighting. Always tour a home in person to get the real story. Budget for extras. Your mortgage is just the beginning. Plan for property taxes, homeowner's insurance, HOA fees, utilities, and maintenance. Section 2. The search location. Location, location. You can change almost anything about a house except its location. Consider your commute, proximity to family, and your lifestyle when choosing a home. Get your own agent for new construction. The friendly agent at a model home works for the builder, not you. Having your own representation doesn't cost extra and ensures your interests are protected. Filter out the noise. Everyone will have an opinion on your home purchase. Trust your team, your agent, and lender, and don't let outside voices derail your decisions. Always get a home inspection. Even if a home looks perfect, an inspection is non-negotiable. It can uncover hidden issues and save you from expensive surprises down the road. Don't open new lines of credit. Once you're under contract, freeze your credit. Don't make any large purchases or open new credit cards, as it can jeopardize your loan approval. Section 3. The process. Understand closing costs. These are separate from your down payment and typically run 2 to 3% of the purchase price. Ask your agent about negotiating for the seller to cover some of these costs. Be flexible with your timeline. The home buying process can have unexpected delays. Be patient. The right house will come along. Don't skip the final walkthrough. This is your last chance to ensure all agreed-upon repairs have been made, and the home is in the expected condition before you sign the final papers. Ask every question. There are no stupid questions when making a purchase this large. If you don't understand something, ask your agent or lender to explain it. Focus on what matters most. It's easy to get caught up in cosmetic details like paint color. Concentrate on the things you can't easily change, like the floor plan and neighborhood. Section 4. The mindset: renting isn't failing. If you're not financially ready to buy, it's smart to wait. Renting while you save and build credit is a strategic plan, not a failure. You don't always need 20% down. This is an outdated belief. Many loan programs allow for much smaller down payments, some as low as 0 to 5%. Your first home isn't your forever home. Think of your first home as a stepping stone. It's a way to build equity that you can use for your next, bigger, and better home. Celebrate the wins. Buying a home is a journey. Celebrate each milestone, from getting pre-approved to making your first offer. Work with people you trust. The right agent, lender, and inspector will make all the difference. You want a team that is responsive, transparent, and has your best interests at heart. So there you have it. 20 tips that can save you time, money, and a lot of stress on your home buying journey. Remember, the goal isn't just to buy a house. It's to make a smart investment that you feel great about. Your first home is a stepping stone, not a life sentence, so focus on getting the fundamentals right. Talk to a lender early, build a team you trust, and never be afraid to ask questions. If you found these tips helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Homebuyer University for more weekly advice. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your biggest question about buying a home. I read and respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.